Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Social Studies class. This is chapter 12, and I am here to explain you chapter 12. The name of the chapter is Animal Wealth of India. ठीक है? And animal is also a form of natural resource to us. Animals जो है एक फॉर्म है नेचुरल रिसोर्स का. ठीक है, एक टाइप है नेचुरल रिसोर्स का. वी गेट मिल्क कैसे है? वी गेट मिल्क एंड अदर डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. हम लोगों को मिल्क डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स जो है एनिमल्स के थ्रू मिलता है. सिमिलरली फॉर मैनी अदर रीजन्स वी टेम सम एनिमल्स. बहुत सारे रीजन्स हैं जिसकी वजह से हम एनिमल्स को पालते हैं. मैन टेम डॉग, लेटर ही टेम्ड कैटल, sheep, goat, pig, etc., which provides meat and milk for food and wool and hides for clothes, etc. Such are domestic animals. Such animals are called domestic animals. Means domestic animals what? We tame some animals for our domestic use. For example, कैटल, शिप, गोट, पिग. इससे हम लोगों को क्या मिलता है? मिल्क भी मिलता है और इनसे हमको ऊल मिलता है, मीट मिलता है. ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हमको मिलते हैं, तो हम लोग इसको पालते हैं. ये दे आर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. बट कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो बीस्ट ऑफ बर्डन्स कहलाते हैं. क्यों कहलाते हैं? क्योंकि दे आर हेल्पफुल फॉर कैरिंग लोड्स. जैसे कौन कौन से? बुल, बफेलोस, कैमल, हॉर्स, डंकी, म्यूल एंड याक. तो these animals are called beast of burden because they are helpful for carrying heavy loads. And camel is called the ship of desert. Camel जो है वो ship of desert कहलाता है. क्यों कहलाता है? क्योंकि वो ऐसा एक एनिमल है जो 30 to 40 डेज बिना पानी के, बिना फूड के रेगिस्तान में, राजस्थान में, डेजर्ट प्लेस में वो वॉक कर सकता है, वो चल सकता है. So, camel is called ship of desert. Cows and buffaloes are called milch cattle. We get milk from them. इनको मिल्च कैटल बोलते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि ये मिल्क हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं. शीप्स एंड गोट आर रियर्ड फॉर देयर मीट एज वेल एज ऊल. जो शिप और गोट हैं वो पाले जाते हैं मीट के लिए, ऊल के लिए. वी हैव अ शीप ब्रीडिंग सेंटर एट हिसर. बुलक्स and buffaloes are used for farming. So these animals are called milch animals because they gives us milk. Okay, sheep and goats are reared for their meat as well as wool. Sheep and goats are reared. Why? Because they gives us meat and wool. Wool is very helpful for making woolen clothes, and so sheep and goats are reared. We have a sheep breeding center at Hisar. Bullocks and buffaloes are used for farming. These are used for farming because they are helpful for agricultural purpose. Dungs of animal is, dung means animal waste, is used as a manure in fields. So these are the animals which are helpful for farming also, and they gives us meat, wool. So these animals are wealth of India. We find many animals in the forest such as lion, tiger, bear, elephant, deer, fox and monkeys. They are wild animals. What are wild animals? Wild animals are those animals who live in forest, dense forest, and they used to eat only flesh. The flesh eating animals are basically not flesh, because elephant is also there. That animal can't eat flesh. So these are very dangerous animal and live in wild forest. Okay, there are lions in the Gir forest in Gujarat, tiger, leopard, fox, wolf, bear and wild boar etc. are found in the forest. These are the animals who lives in forest. And in northeast India, animals like elephants are found in south and northeast India. Means animals like elephant are very much found in where? Northeast India and southern area India. Next is rhinoceros are found in Assam and West Bengal. Where this animal found? Rhinoceros, Assam and West Bengal. Musk deer is found only in the Himalayas. These are the animals which found in hilly areas. So, what are they? Musk deer. There are many types of deer in our country. Tiger is a national animal of India. Tiger is the national animal of India. Elephants are tamed by some people. Some animals tamed elephant for carrying heavy logs in the forest. Okay. Many animals are disappearing at an alarm speed in the recent time. So the government has declared many forests as reserved forest, because many people, what they do, they cut the forest, and it's very much problem for the wild animals where they will live. So government has declared as a reserved forest, and has started special project like Project Tiger to protect the wild animals. These are the animals. Some pictures are there on your book. First is lion, then elephant, and then tiger. Okay, students. Now, animal wealth in India. India top in cattle's wealth in the world. 15% of the world's cattle are and 57 of buffaloes are estimated to be in India. So these are the wealth of India. Next, uses of animal. It's very simple, students. If you simply sit and think what animal exactly gives, so we'll come to the conclusion that they provides milk and meat. This is the most simple example, use of animal, you know, students. What are they? They provides us milk and meat, and daily we used to take the milk of an animal, that is cow. Animal waste are used as a manure in the field. It's very simple that we always use the animal waste as a manure in the fields, so that we'll get good for crops. And nowadays what some people do, what cow dungs are used to make biogas, and biogas is used in village for cooking food and lightening. Means for lightening and cooking food, many people use what? Biogas. Animal hair is used for special type of brushes. For making special type of brushes, people use what? People use animal hair is used for making special type of brushes. And fertilizers are made from bones. The bones of the animals are used to make fertilizers. And animal like male buffalo, horse, camel, etc. are used for pull carts. Bullocks for bullocks, and camel cart and horse cart is used to make the help of this animal. And so these animals are also used to pluck our fields. So these are the different uses of our animals. Next, skin of animal is used to making leather products. The animal skin is used to make leather products and like shoes, bags, belts, etc. And wools are used to make woolen clothes, as I explained you earlier, carpets and shawl. The animal wools are used to make the carpets and shawls, woolen clothes. So this is all about. Okay. Now next thing, students, you read it after you read the chapter, and I'll explain you in the next video about white revolution and daring, students. And it's very important to read this chapter, because you should know the use of animals.